Hello guys, here is I have Sky Device T8 Plus. This tablet problem is charging port issue is not charging and look like a charging port is broken, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Let me remove the SIM card first. Now we're gonna remove this back cover. We're almost done to remove this back cover, and here is the charging port on corner. First we're gonna remove this all connection. This is the LCD connection, and here is the camera connection, and there is the volume connection, volume and power button connection here is, and then here is a screw. You have to remove it. Remove this plastic tape. You have to remove this motherboard separate. And here is the battery connection. You have to remove it, and there is a antenna connection. You have to remove it, and there is a speaker connection. You have to remove it. We are done here. Now we're gonna separate the motherboard. Yeah, sorry, here is another screw left. We have to remove that one. Removed, and now we can separate the motherboard easily. And we don't want to all the way lifting up. Behind the motherboard there is the air speaker connection. We have to remove it. Here is the motherboard we separated, and you can see the charging port inside is broken, and we have to replace this charging port. First we're gonna use some plugs on side. It's gonna be easy to remove it, and then we're gonna apply some heat and remove this charging port. Yes, we removed. Now we're gonna clean it, the all connection. Yeah, now we're gonna clean with the alcohol and use some plugs again. Now we're gonna add some soldering here, and it's down here. Now you're gonna install the new charging port, and here is the new charging port, and it goes inside perfectly. Now you're gonna install some plugs again and soldering now with this soldering iron. Make sure all connection is separate. If it's not connect all separate, this might be shortest. Now we're all done here. Now you're gonna soldering on all four connection. With the alcohol we're gonna clean it. Yeah, job is done. You can see all connection is separate. Now you're gonna install this motherboard, the frame. First we're gonna connect your speaker. We're done here. Now you're gonna install the motherboard. Now there's the LCD connection. I'm gonna connect first, and there is 3 screw. You have to put it back first, so you're gonna hold the motherboard. Now I'm gonna connect the digitizer connection, and here is the antenna connection. And there is the power bar connection and camera connection. There's the speaker connection. And here is the printout I did. My camera showing up now. Black one goes on the right side, and by mistake I put it on right side. Red one, but red one goes to left side. So later on I fix it, but you guys do it like red one on left side and black one on right side. Later on I fixed that connection. And here is battery connection. Black one is left side and red one on right side. And it's showing up here is there is plus and minus sign on there. You can take a look when you install the all connection. Now you're gonna check, make sure it's working or not. Yes, the charger port is working. It's 0% charge. Now you're gonna wait 2 minutes. See charge going up or not. Yes, it's charge going up. Now is 1%. So everything is good. Now you're gonna install back cover. First we're gonna do on top side. Just press it, and then we're gonna press it all side. We're gonna insert the SIM card. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna plug in on my range charge. Yes, it's charging. So that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.